Chief. Hey, welcome in, family. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. Nice deep breath. Get everything situated here. I feel like we have the opportunity to make us some of the monies. Up to us to deliver. Oh, baby. I'm starting to have a decision, guys. Do I or do I not just mess up those? Hey, there he is. Let's go work. Good morning, King. You looking at that Dow? What are you looking at today, sir? Pobby. Good morning, King. Happy to have you gentlemen here. Sorry, family. I was just reading that right there. Holy crap. That's crazy. That's a crazy. Amen this day for you. Hey, let's go work. Love the energy, King. Appreciate the vibes. Nothing really for me today. And that's okay, too. Good morning, Danny. There's our queen. Let's go. Let's get it. Good morning, fam. Let's go, Diego. Let's get this bread, King. Happy to have you here. Happy that everybody's checking in on a Tuesday. What does this market want to do? What are we looking for? What are we trying to actually push towards? Obviously, yesterday, we ended up finding some extension. Drawing tools. Remove drawing. All drawing objects. Here we go. Pushed through the range yesterday. Still found some extension up into the 25.48. Now we're trading down here. Now we're trading at previous day high right now. So, could be interesting. I think I'm going to go for an early short here, family. I'm going to go for an early short. See if we can get a fill.
Order filled.
Early. Already tapped into our short position right now. Looking to see if we can find a rotation to this downside. We're in early. Going to be patient here today. If the market's going to be long, we're going to know early. There he is, Saucy. Good morning, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Mad Max, the same to you, King. Good morning. There he is, Maxie. Stopping in, saying good morning. How we doing, family? How we doing, friends? We're in an early trade right now. Looking to short these 25,500s roughly. Want to see if we can find some reaction. Previous day high, overnight high above. Trying to short previous day high right now, but look like we're kind of pressing through it. So I'm up 550 with only a setups. Very proud of myself. So only gonna enter if something is good today. Otherwise, I'm done. I love it, Danny. I love it, Queen. I love that you said you're proud of yourself too. That's what it's starting with. Up into the 25.5s. Still being patient. Want to see if we can find a rotation on this. Sellers, want to see you stepping in here. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Let's get focused. Let's get serious today, guys. I am shorting the NASDAQ already today in early. Looking to find some selling rotation at the 25,500s previous day high. Currently am looking a little down, but we'll see what happens. Yo, family, I just want to let you guys know how fucking much I appreciate you guys. This is episode 162. I can't even imagine getting here. So really just thank you. It means the most. If you guys watch the stream frequently, easiest way to just drop a little like, show some support. Currently already down 20 points. What are we doing, Nazi? Want to see if what the high reaction is. If we continue to press, I'm just going to close this, but I still am going to be patient here. Opening print candles. Got in really early, so don't want to be too crazy. I don't like that our accounts aren't followed, or that they are followed, but they have different drawdowns. Just remember that. There we go. We just swept the high a day now. See the reaction from these longs. Not my favorite. Wanted to see a little bit of a better reaction back at this EMA from our sellers. Going to be patient still. Not scared out of this yet, family. Previous day high is what I'm looking to find the short on. We swept the overnight range. Now starting to find a little bit of selling. Thanks, Max. I only used a 5-minute time frame, and it was way less stressful. I love it, Danny. That's what they've been saying, is to use bigger time frames. Yeah, it cuts the noise. For sure, Maxie. For sure. Cutting the noise down. Jay, good morning, King. Welcome in, sir. You got your heat back on, brother? She's a bruiser today. She is chilly. No, not yet, Saucy. I do have the space heater, though, so it's not completely freezing, but Guys, market's running away from us here. Took a short of these 25,000s, 500s, hoping to find a rotation. Now we're into the 530s here. Might have to cut our losses. Wanted to see this previous rotation hold, but I think we could come up to these 45s, unfortunately. And I don't think I have the drawdown to afford that, so. Here we go, we're leaving. Wow, it's gonna go bust us. No opportunities. Only reason I'm not closing this, family, is because of the wick over here on this hourly chart that I want to see us stay inside of. I would just take another position up here. So we're either going to bust or this is going to come back for us. Kind of shitty, but whatever. You get your heat back on. She's been up all London session. Yeah, and she's still grinding up, Danny. Still just grinding up. Easy for this market to find buyers right now. I think opening print candle was even long. No, so opening print candle was a little bearish. And then the next candle we took a short off. It's looking painful. Took a nice long there. Filled the wick of previous day high. Let's go, Maxi. That's where we just went. That's where we just went. That I was hoping to find a short off of. Instead, we're pushing up higher and probably going to bust these accounts. So I'm going to let it go, though. It's painful to watch, but really painful to watch. It's going to liquidate us. There we go. We just got liquidated. Holy shit. I mean, it's not great trading out of us to get in so early, but what the fuck? I don't know, guys. Sometimes it's so... Oh. Just straight printing 90 points to the upside. No auction, no turnaround, just one-sided. That's yesterday's high now. Took a long, then I'm done for the day. Hey, Poppy, way to lock it in. That's yesterday's high. Yeah, it is, Queen. Just bullish printing there. Bad volatility today. I'm going to protect myself today, even though it looks good. The SPX 500 go ups now. 211 and you're done. Let's go, Poppy. You stepped in front of the train. I did, too. Stepped in front of the train. Why the fuck is the train just rolling? I mean, oh my god. Oh, nice. Our other account just got liquidated too now. Our 26. All right. Well, those are all gone, family. Holy cow. How frustrating. 100 points just right up in 6 candles. 2026, bro. Let's go, Max. That's what it is, King. Fuck, man. Oh, my God. Trading, I'm just going to say it. Trading lately has been fucking brutal. Yes. Oh my god, it pushed OD after I texted that. Head up, it's okay, King. Appreciate you, Matrix. Long and past my combines. Let go. Let's go, Matrix. Take that money, King. Oh, look. Actually just straight flooding to the upside. No auction, no turnaround, and just fucking going one-sided. 100 points. Tough for me also. Me too, GPT. But we're right here, King. I'm officially halfway to passing. Hey! Let's go, Bobby. That's yours, King. It has been for sure. Buy 25K Lucid Flex and don't trade more than 2 micros. Once you're funded, $1,000 payouts from each account every 5 days. You know, Maxi, I don't like that. I don't mind that strategy. Buy 25K Lucid Flex accounts. The Lucid Flex accounts are crazy because you can't trade them with Tradeovate or with Project X. You can only trade them with Tradeovate now. So I found that to be really interesting. Just slow it down, bro. Respectfully, Maxi, I don't really like that advice, King. Just for where I'm at in my specific process, my journey. I understand, but if you're talking about like in terms of contract size, minis in this market are frying everyone. No, you're right, King. They are. For some reason, they're just. I mean, this is what I don't get, right? Why can you take a profitable trade or a consistent trade with a micro, so you're getting the same amount of points but less profit? Why can we survive that, but we can't survive the same amount of points with a mini, even if we have the drawdown? It just seems psychological to me. You know what I mean? I don't know. I mean, would anyone have expected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes and we're up 120, 30 points? And like, I don't know, because it's more money. Wider stop, so you would probably be in this now. I'd be in this now, but I'd be down over 100 points with minis. So it wouldn't really, I mean, with micros. So it wouldn't really be much better. I'd be down over 100 points with micros, so I'd be waiting for this to rotate back to the downside before I'm even close to mic. I don't know. I'm indifferent, guys. I'm not saying y'all are completely inaccurate with that. Obviously, some strategies need to adapt and change, so I'm not opposed to that. Yo, what up, Saab? Good morning, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, but with 1 or 2 is survivable for sure. You pretty much need perfect stops with minis. With a couple micros, it doesn't matter if the fill isn't perfect. Yeah, like, it had to fly up to these 600s to look at us, get stopped out. Had to then maybe give us a chance. Because I see what you're saying. I don't know, took an early short and didn't play out. I mean, that's what we got. That's what we're getting. But it's each their own. We all have our own preferences, for sure, Queen. Well, I guess, guys, since today is the final day, the absolute final day. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to close that on you guys. Today is the last day of the discounts for most of these prop firms, so I'm going to load back up here. Gosh. It's a bummer. I am interested in the Lucid Flex accounts. I think I'm going to try those out. It's either going to be the Lucid accounts. Obviously, I'm going to buy my 20 Apex accounts today while the deal is going on, or before it ends. Oh yeah, real quick, family. Today is the absolute final day of the Apex deals, right? 14 hours left for this final updates for Photoshop. Final updates for, or final 14 hours for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday things. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that tonight. I'm buying 20 accounts. I was going to be, depending on what today's reaction was at the market, and obviously we just blew our combines, so, or not our combines, but whatever. Had a weird one yesterday, got smacked on a trade, but also took a payout, so not sure. Sobs, drop a W for the man tapping a payout. Let's go, King. Sorry you got smoked on a trade, but you got your payout. I can see why it's a 50-50. Was it, you got smoked on the same account you took your payout out of? Dow going down today. Hey, we're finding some selling. Yo, there he is, Pat. Happy to have you, King. Good morning. Mic is low. Hey. Can y'all hear me? Any better? Am I being quiet? Do you know that the PA fees are only during the sale? Wait, what do you mean, Queen? What are you talking about with that, Danny? Yeah, same account. Account is still alive. Got 600 balance to fuck with. Hey, I like that. A little bit better? All right. Thank you, Pat. I'm not sure what's up with that, but I appreciate you, King. Yeah, you're right, Daniel. Yeah, I'm not selling. I mostly never sell the market always. They return it to the 140 if you don't pass them. No way. I did not know that, Queen. Huh. So if you trade, holy shit, need to pass them today, bro. Holy cow, I feel like a goofy for not knowing that. Thank you so much, Queen, and for letting me know. So I have to sit here. You're telling me I have to sit here and buy 20 accounts right now? Guys, I have to go buy 20 accounts right now and then try to pass them today. Excuse me. I did not know that. Oh, that makes me feel unhappy. Fuck. Oh, and then the stress. YOLO them one by one. If you want the cheap PA fees, yes. Let's YOLO some Apex accounts, LOL. Oh, let's YOLO some accounts, I guess, family. Or until the sale ends, as of the PA fee might change back. Let's YOLO some accounts. Let's do it, cool guys. All right, family. Well, today's the last day. You can even offer with this discount. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 20 accounts right now. It might take me a little bit of time. Hope you guys can be patient. We just blew our MFF combine or future account or blah, 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 our MFF funded accounts, sadly. But yeah, time to get busy buying some 50k's. Holy cow. Code TFF, family, trading for freedom. If you want to take advantage of this, last day you can. I can't even use my own code, so I got to type out, use the farmer's code because I can't use my own. But code trading for freedom. If y'all are trying to grab this little bit of a deal while we can, $37.40 for the account. All right. Gosh. I wish I would have known this, guys. I'm sorry I have to click through this and put all this in while I'm on stream. It's going to be hard for me to do two things at once here. It's going to be kind of difficult for me to do two things at once here. Gosh, dang it. 15-minute range is in. Appreciate you, Pat. Thank you, King. Let's get our box drawn up. I already got smoked today. It just had to get all this volatility, and we look at it. Look, why did it go up to the 600 and tap us out? It's just insane. Can't make this shit up sometimes, family. There's our 15-minute range. Appreciate you for letting me know, Pat. Give the people what they want, LOL. Diego. Wait, what? What up, Laura? Welcome in, Queen. Lauren. Is it Laura or Lauren? Lauren Neck. Laura. Just want to make sure I'm not butchering that, but I appreciate you for being here, Queen. Good morning, Pat. Good luck today. I love it, and Diego. Good energy, King. Ty, Diego, you as well, brother. Oh, thank you, Diego. Do you do them one by one for sure? I wouldn't YOLO all. I'd send a couple, then trade this others smartly. What about 20 accounts? 2 to 3 accounts with decent size means reasonable if you're going for the 20 today. Best of luck, Ty. Lorraine in French. Lorraine? Am I still butchering that? Lorraine. I love it. Glad to not be butchering it. Oh, well, family, if y'all are here riding with your boy, show some love. Easiest way to like the stream. We're gonna be YOLOing, or I say YOLOing. We're gonna be trying to trade them fairly smartly, but do have some patience with me. I gotta sit here and buy 20 fucking accounts at a time because I thought I'd have time to do it tonight. Turns out you have to pass in time, or else they won't let you use the $10 activation fee, which I wasn't aware of. So appreciate our Queen for letting me know. Sorry I gotta sit here and be multitasking and buying these accounts while I'm on stream with you guys. NASDAQ still sitting at the top of the 15-minute range right now, holding on to the EMA. Just kind of was stubborn, 100 points right out the top, no question, just one-sided. Oh my goodness. If you guys are trying to take advantage of the Apex deal while it's the final day, code TFF, trading for freedom. Also, guys, the Lucid accounts, the Lucid Flex accounts, they're still running that deal, so you guys wanted to try the Lucid Flex accounts. The Flex accounts are interesting, though, because you can't trade them with Project X. So this was Lucid's way of, like, they knew that the Project X and everybody was having that, like, Project X is stopping people from trading with them, and they knew that. So now they set up these new accounts, which are the Flex accounts, which people really like. I like the Flex accounts. And they can't, you can't trade it with Project X, only on Tradeovate or Quantower. So I thought that was really interesting. We are all saying, huh? Top step number 1, new rules, old rules, new rules, all top step in 4. What are we all saying, huh? Top step number 1, new rules, old rules, no rules at all. Top step in 4. I'm confused by that sub. All good, King. I can't find a spot to get in. There's a small demand at the 503s. Wonder if buyers are going to rip this to the moon. I'd personally be looking to the upside, Pat, for sure. Maybe a pullback. It is hard to find a spot, but I'd be patient, and maybe this previous range where we broke out from, like overnight high or previous day high, so somewhere in around these 545s, we could get a test. Maybe these 500s, probably not the 500s, already where I got smoked. Ooh. Nice, our whole box moved and I won't move back. That's cool. No, that's cool. I'll move you back. Don't worry about it. Maybe something like that, Pat. Guys, it's really hard to multitask. I've only bought 2 so far. But I'm going to get them all in. And we're going to trade some 50K, we're going to go for it. Try to pass some of these combos, these accounts. What really sucks is the I didn't know that you can't trade them in the same day. That's so lame to me. Or that the discount is for a limited amount of time. I guess it kind of makes sense. I'm not gonna lie, but it's also like, what? It's also like a little bit, huh? I like to see a tab to yesterday's high and then a rip up to the moon. That's kind of what I was thinking. Maybe these 70s we pull back, which we already did. 550s, is that the previous high? If we break 600, we see more up. I like that. Amin, welcome in, King. Good morning. Happy to have you here. Long term, I'd like to copy trade 150Ks. Anyone think I'm crazy? No, Pat. You're all right. That's the right type of crazy, King. That's fucking delusion, and we love delusion. You got to be crazy in this game, Pat. Exactly, subs. They want you to YOLO them in the sale period, so you buy and buy and buy and buy and buy. Makes sense, Queen. No, it does. What you're saying is making some sense. Why do I keep clicking that button? Stop. All right, we bought 3. Let's buy some more. Anybody gonna buy some accounts with me so we can try this together? Anybody gonna be trying to run some accounts with me? Today's the final day if you're trying to take advantage of these deals. They are actually quite amazing while it's happening, but obviously you have to pass today. I did not know that, so that changes the way I feel about it. I didn't know that. That's lame, because then it's like, what are we even doing here? Like, what are we even doing here? But, I mean, I get it. The Danish right. They just want us to put our money in, keep trying over and over. And I mean, they're getting me. Because, look, I'm sitting here over and over just putting my money in, so. It's worth it, though, guys. Check this out. This is the deal you're getting right now. 187 to 37. You're literally saving $150, right? So, it's really reasonable, but it is also just a lot. It's a lot that we have to try to pass today. I did not know that. Changes things slightly. They want you to YOLO them in the sale period. I bought one right now. Let's go, TLR. I will. Let's go, Laura. Lorraine. Laura? Lorraine. There's no consistency rules on Apex, right? No, Queen, there's not. Just the trailing drawdown. That is typically the struggle. By the way, good morning, everyone. Good morning, TLR. Happy to have you here, King. Happy Tuesday, sir. Let's get focused. Let's get paid. I'm grateful we have funded accounts and platforms like TradeSyncer. We can actually make it happen. I know, Pat. 100 would be crazy. Google AI telling me otherwise. Are you sure that's 100%? There's no one could see. Google AI telling me otherwise. Wait, are you talking about where you're funded? It's 30%. Are you talking about Saad? What are you talking about? What's not confirmed on Google AI? Also, for TLR and Lorraine, if you guys are going to go and trade these Apexes with me, code TFF, baby, trading for freedom. You guys know what it is. Currently, I have bought 5, and I am in the process of buying 15 more. So, appreciate you guys for being patient and riding with me. I know it's not super cool to have to click through these a million times, but 50K account. I don't know how many people we have, family, but you guys know where we're at, what we're looking for. Hit the 20 likes if we could. Show some love. Trading's been hard lately. I'm just gonna say it like that. It's been really mentally exhausting. Even one of my best friends who's been a fantastic trader who got me back into trading, he's been having a tough one lately, and I think it just kind of like, just overall the markets have been hard. I really sense Trump has made everything, the volatility, the tariffs, just everything has been tricky. And so just allow your guys yourself some grace. Understand that right now what we're doing is tricky. It's hard. We're in a special time that's never really been seen before. And yeah, again, just offer yourself that leeway of understanding that we're not defined by a couple trades. If we're all in here showing up every day, we're hell of good traders. And you can lose a lot before you should allow yourself to really start feeling bad. So just want to remind you guys, it's a hard game, but we're all in it together. Passing the accounts before the sale ends. No, you don't have to pass your Apex evaluation account before the sale ends, as the evaluation period is a set time frame for passing the evaluation rules, not tied to a sale. This is from good old Googie. You don't have to pass your Apex evaluation account before the sale ends. Is the evaluation period yeah, I don't think you have to so Sobs, I think that's saying like you don't have to have the account still, but to keep the discount for when you activate. Sellers are just unable to break this bottom. I think buyers from 64s is valid. Yeah, this is that previous wick pass, so I don't mind this to potentially hold. Trump made everything hard for sure. Trading is hard as fuck. Absolutely, GPT. But that's the thing. It's hard, but it's one of the best challenges I'd ever do, right? This has the opportunity. We struggle every single day, just like we would be struggling at work or wherever else to find ourselves or find opportunity for income. But yet this has the chance to change our lives and our families. So it's worth every struggle. It's a big mental game. That's why we're all here together. Sorry to hear, bro. Things have been great for me, actually. The strategy is working really well. Take your time and really dial yourself, bro. You can always refine your strategy to improve. Let's go, Pat. And that's the thing, too. At the end of the day, different strategies work at different times. And I'm really glad you're having it work right now, Pat. Keep that momentum, King. Get that payout. 2026 is your year, too. You don't have to pass them before the sale ends, but if you want the PA fees, then you need to. Yeah, so Saab, what Danny's basically saying is that you don't have to pass to keep the accounts, but for that $40 activation fee instead of $140, because that's what Apex is. But yeah, if you want that $40 activation fee, you have to pass it while the promo's going, and I did not know that. So glad you're doing good, Pat. Absolutely. Took a small scalp, but don't think I'm going to trade today. And there's nothing wrong with that, too. The markets have been off ugly. So, I respect that, Pat. I do. I mean, at the end of the day, like he's saying, too, just always have the opportunity to refine your strategy. Nothing has to be permanent. I've been a little, I don't know, our last payout was September. So, it's been October, November. So, we've been two months and 2.5 months since a payout. And, I'm just feeling it, but it's not even like the financial burden. Like, I'm still profitable. This year was still a great year for everything. It's just I'm feeling a burden in terms of just like, you know, a little bit of emotion, just mental, just fatigue. Trading has just been a lot lately, I feel like, but also that's why we got the community. All right, how many accounts have I bought? I bought 8, so 12 more to go, family. I love you guys. Thanks for being patient here. Sorry I had to do this while we're on stream. I would have already done it had I known that little nuance there, Danny, but it's okay. Now we know for next time. If you guys are trying to trade with the discount code or with the PA fees and all the cheaper opportunity that Apex is giving, make sure you trade them in the same time frame, guys. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy. This is the result, though, guys. Super fucking cheap. I mean, if you think about it, this is a 20K on Apex, or I mean a 50K on Apex for only $37.40. You still have to activate, which is a $40 activation. So all in, it puts you at $77, which actually is the same as, here, I'll pull this one over too, which is the same as the one I've been loving with MFF, which is $77, no activation. So these are literally matching prices right now if you pass first try with Apex. Better thing about Apex though is you can do 20 accounts, so has the opportunity there. Obviously the other option that you guys can have, which is valid for one more day, is this Lucid Flex accounts. 40% off is crazy. I will give you guys a little discrepancy about the Flex accounts though, is that if you don't trade on Project X, you can't trade these. So make sure you're actually looking forward to the Trade of 8 or Quan Tower. Struggled October, couldn't get anything going. Up 17K November, December so far. Got to trust the process. Got to trust the probability, Diego. Absolutely, King. Love hearing that. Good trading, sir. More than deserved. Thank you, Danny. It's been a very difficult journey, but the skill will pay dividends for years and years. Absolutely, Bat. That's why we're doing it, King. We're setting ourselves up for lots and lots of future success. That's the thing, is like trading is not a short-term gratification thing. It's you got to build up that time. You train TPT, right? I tried to start sizing up a bit yesterday. Thought I was ready. Went with 3 micros instead of my usual 1 per trade. Got my shit handed to me, of course. I think that's okay though, Sab. I think that's what you need, because I mean, eventually you have to get okay with handling the big loss, not the big winners, right? If I said, hey, dude, I'm gonna give you 10 grand today, you'd be like, okay, sick. But if I said you had to lose 10 grand today to learn how to make it, it's gonna feel a little bit shittier. So I think sizing up, the real challenge is like dealing with bigger losses. Not, again, the bigger wins is easier to see. Sometimes you're like, oh, I'm up $700 and want to take it, but handling the losses is the first step, Sab. So I think you're on the right process. Trying to catch up to you. Let's go, Pat. Get that man max. I was having 40K months. Now I'm back to all combines and struggling. That's the probability game. No worries. Patrick, nice, bro. You already passed an account? Nah, man. Trading micros or minis. Micros now was a game changer. Y'all are really trying to get me to flip over to micros. And I just can't do it. Why? I don't know. Is it because I'm greedy, or is it just I hate the idea, guys, of putting on leverage. You're putting on a position that you could get paid for, but you're going to get it paid literally 1/10 of what you should have or could have. I don't know. I think it is kind of a wrong mindset that I have, but at the same time, it's like I've never seen... You know what I really think it is? I think it's because I'm in this time frame of like I'm only trading these hour and a half, so I'm trying to just take advantage of it, and I don't want to watch 150 points be paid out with micros when I'm like, okay, well, I'm only going to be here for this time frame. So maybe I go full time with trading. I think I'm a lot more opt to trading micros, if that makes any sense at all. I just think that's, I don't know, it's more efficient. If anyone likes to trade smaller, try the 25 TPT accounts. 1,500 to pass. Can also take daily payouts after $1,500 buffer. Huh, I like that, Diego. I love the gains, but it's more calming. It is calming with micros. I love making 200 plus, but it's stressful with minis. You can always scale in with 20 micros equal to 2 minis. That's a good point right there, Saab. I trade my single top step account with 1 to 2 minis. My other 18 accounts on Ninja Trader, I trade micros since I copy trade all of them. So that's the thing. Since you are copy trading, so like with these 20 accounts, I probably should try micros. Most profitable traders switch to micros. It's the same leverage. 10 micros is 1 mini. The difference is you can scale in and out more efficiently and aggressively. When you have 1 mini, it's in or out. Is that true though, Pat? That most profitable traders switch to micros? Is that really true? It seems interesting to me. Because at the same time, it's like you're also paying more for fees. It's more stress, because I'm like, oh, I have 15 contracts and I got to like scale out with 3 or 5 of them instead of like just 1 contract, 2 contracts. I don't know. I'm interested. Don't quit the job. Always keep cash flow. A few months on bad trading can wipe everything. For sure, GPT. Quitting your job is a whole investment. Are you getting a new accounts to trade today, King? Yes, I am, Matrix. Trying to buy right now. I can use 3 to 5 micros with 20-point stop and risk $100, but make 5 to 1K with momentum. Maybe not all, but my experience, I've seen a lot of them use it. I like that, Pat. Yes, but yes, buy, you can scale like you want, and better for risk management. You know what? I trust you guys. You guys know what you're doing. You guys are good traders too. So all I can say is my experience is only with 50Ks or with minis mostly. So I got to give you guys the respect and at least give it an attempt. How about this? I'll trade these Apex accounts with I can't trade micros today because I have to try to pass. I was gonna say I was gonna do exactly what you guys just said and trade these with micros, but I can't today specifically because we have to pass today. And a pass with micros is not likely. All right, we have our 10 account. No, we have 11 accounts right now. Holy shit, we're gonna be trading 20 accounts. This is gonna be insane. This is going to be insane. I'm only doing this really, guys, because I was under the impression I'd be able to buy these and trade them 5 at a time and activate with the deal, but Danny saved us. If you guys are trying to do the same thing and you bought a bunch of accounts trying to let them, like, you know, stack accounts, you can trade them slowly. I guess that's not the case. You got to trade them today. Nah, phase at you. I mean, if you have 25 accounts, why trade stressful with minis if you can make 100 a day at 2,500 being done? Absolutely. I mean, that makes sense. I agree with Size. I agree with Tyler, though. In my humble opinion, it ain't a personal account and can't have a few good trades with minis and you're on a heater. We spend so little to make a lot. See, that's the thing I think we forget about. I love that Diego said that because it's the thing, guys, is like I 100% am on your guys' side about like risk management, greed, control, all these things. But the thing is, these are not our personal accounts. This is not real fucking money. We are paying $20, $30. Like literally, guys, I'm paying $30 on these accounts right now for access to thousands of dollars of funding. So it's like we have to be willing to trade those monies. Like the $30, $50 that I'm spending to get the account, I have to not full port, but I have to not treat it as $2,000. So when I'm down $2,000 on my account, it's only I lost fake money. I lost the 30, 50 bucks that I put in. But when you get paid real money with real leverage. So it's worth it. It's asymmetry of risk. You guys see what I'm saying? I love that. I saw that you see it, Diego. He kind of growing on me a lot. LOL. He actually responds to me in a nice way to 3 times. I asked a question in his chat, like genuinely help. You talking about Pat? I'm glad that he's helping you out, Pobs. The ideal thing is used for minis for the combine. Be more aggressive, and once you pass, switch to micros. No, I mean Pat, wheeling Pat. LOL. That's hilarious. That's how I tackle combines too, Pat. Get in with minis, pass them, and then use them. You copying all 20 at a time? Yes, sir, Mad Max. We're going to be trading 20 Apex accounts right now. I got 8 more to buy. 64 would have been sweet for sure. It's all sim till we're in a live accounts. That's the goal. By the way, shout out to whoever said turkey tacos last week. Shit's fire. For real, whoever said that, you guys are fucking amazing. I haven't tried them yet, but I've been thinking about them. It's amazing. It's just incredible. He low-key nice, LOL. Pobs, I hope he is, King. I hope he's nice. He deserves. You guys, he has a lot of reasons to be. So it's good to see that. It's good to see that. Holy shit, we're going to be trading 20 accounts at one time, guys. This is going to be pretty crazy for me. This is our first attempt. This is just getting us used to 2026. We're going to be doing this frequently in 2026. So I'm just trying to get my, my little fingers warmed up for this. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, check this out. It's $37.40 for an account. So are we really going to trade minis when I'm only risking $37? I don't know. I just feel like with the opportunity of prop firms, like it's kind of our responsibility to be good to develop trading. So that's first and foremost. Don't full port and just develop shitty rules and everything. Be a good trader. Try to develop the skill set. Find good levels that it makes sense. All the things. But at the same time, once you find a good level and you trust your system, take it with some size. Yes, you could blow your account on one fucking trade. That happens to me often. You guys see it. But at the same time, I'm losing that $37 But when I get paid, I'm going to make a lot more than the $37. And I'm going to make a lot more than I would with people trading micros, only because I paid $37 to trade micros, or I paid $37 to trade minis and make hundreds. I don't know. You guys see what I'm saying? I can also see why it's greed, though. So I want to find a balance. He's a little weird and gets a lot of hate, but he's a great trader. Proud of you. Come a long way. Stay level-headed and pass these. Let's go, Pat. You're the king. Means a lot, dude. For real. Means a lot, man. You've been riding with us for a while. A lot of y'all have in here. And like I said it earlier, literally, I can't even imagine. We're on episode 162. The amount of gratitude I have just for you guys showing up every day and making this community something worth being a part of is speechless. Yeah, he kind of weird when he off his meds, but he's chill. He's nice. I didn't even know he has meds, Pablo. Well, it's different for everyone. Some people maybe don't have a job currently, or some people maybe don't have as much money as others and need to protect that $40 account because they can't afford to re-up. See, and that's exactly a good point too. So I'm not trying to be insensitive to that. Maybe someone is only able to get one account per month. Absolutely. In that case, micros, no doubt about it. Pat Whelan just has to put a front. He's an entertainer. Kind of sucks, but glad to hear he's cool off camera. He is a front, and he knows he's a personality, right? So he gets paid for being loud and energetic and controversial. But he also, he just understands the game. So I have no hate. Anyone that wants to be out here doing their thing, I mean, people don't have to watch him. People spend their effort to spend with him. So if they didn't do that, they wouldn't do that. They didn't find value. So he obviously helps some people. It's all in the eye of the beholder. I love it, Sobs. Good point. Took a $1,000 loss on my account yesterday. Mad back. 600 today. Locked out. Let's go, GPT. That's how you do it, King. You know, base hits. You don't got to make that 1,000 back. I love that you stopped 60% of the way through. I don't, LO, but wouldn't be surprised if you did. I got you. A little bit of meds. All right, family. We have 6 accounts left to buy. I appreciate you guys for being patient while I'm buying these. Sorry I had to do it while I was on stream. I really would have done it ahead of time, but oh well. Also, if y'all are trying to take advantage of this deal with Apex or with Lucid or MFF, I think MFF also is ending theirs today as well. It is the last day to get the deals. I would say y'all should go ahead and buy 20 accounts with me and trade these Apex because they're a really cheap deal. But I didn't know that you have to pass them same day, or I have to pass them today before the sale ends in order to get the $40 activation fee. So I did not know that, but I appreciate you guys. He makes millions with his links. He can YOLO all those accounts, and they will always pay him because he is known. He is known. He does make a lot of money from his accounts, from all of his affiliate things. Also, he makes a lot of money from I forget his other income, but I know he makes a lot of money from something else too. And so yeah, he just spends his money and attracts more people. He's loud and entertaining, and some people like to stick around. So because of that, they use his code and keep the prophecy fulfilling. But again, no hate. I don't mind. I mean, he's doing his thing. If people didn't find value in him, he wouldn't have an audience. So clearly, he's doing something of value, and to each their own. Like trading, like people. Everyone has their own strategies, their own styles. We're a little bit chiller, calmer, calmer people. So that's why we're all congregating together here. We're all people that care about just other people. We want people to feel good. We want to see people succeed. We want to see people do their best and be genuine. And we're a little bit chiller, calmer, but we're still funny, still hanging out, still making it something worth being a part of, just not the old PW style. All right, guys, only 4 more accounts. I'm trying to spam these. I really do apologize for forcing you guys to sit here and watch me just click buttons, even though you're still just watching the screen. But God, I was always nervous to buy stuff on stream because I was like, yo, I'm gonna dox my credit card or whatever. Always a little bit of a fear, not gonna lie. I don't have 20 Apex account money, LOL. Otherwise, I would for sure use your code. I know you do. I know you would, Queen. You're number one day one supporter, and I love it. If I could use your guys' code and support you too, I would. Like, of course I would. You gonna copy trade all 20 evals? I think so, Maxi. I gotta try. 2026, I'm gonna get comfortable doing this. 2026, we're gonna be trading 20 accounts frequently, so I gotta get a little bit more comfortable with it, I think. Yeah, true, but don't worry, Ty. You're gonna be the best always. Hey, Pobby, you're the king. Means the most, brother. Truly means the most, sir. All right, King, I'm gonna head back to sleep while waiting for Top Step to update my accounts. Prob going to XFAs later. Let's go, Matrix. Way to trade well, King. Get those XFAs, get that rest, pop back in. Look, you know, keep those expectations moderate. I believe in you, King. You're gonna get that payout soon. You're the only one I actually watch every day like it's a job. Let's go, Poppy. Means the most. Just a little bit, LOL. Just a little bit. Just a little tiny bit, Max. Tyler, you're insane for not having your CC info saved on your computer. Laugh my ass off. All that typing would drive me insane. I just am scared. I don't know why. King, Noah, what up, King? Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you here. I don't like having that shit saved, Diego. I feel like it's like I hit again and I figured out partials on Top Step. King Noah figured out his strategy. He's hitting partials, trading like a G. Love seeing the development, man. Congratulations. Bruh, you made me profitable, bruh. Let's fucking go, dude. Some of the hypest shit. Trying to short here again. Good luck, all. Good luck, Sobs. I hope it works out for you. Bruh, you made me profitable, bruh. It's probably one of my favorite things I've just read today, Noah. Let's fucking go, baby. I love it. Hey, by the way, it was not me. It's you, King. Great development. Great time, patience. I love it. I would, bro. Honestly, for me personally, it doesn't make sense trading one account. I understand not everyone can do it, but for me, copy trading is a game changer. It really is. It offers the opportunity. Good morning, Vietnam. Let's go, Coop. W mans. Love the support. Thanks for being here, sir. Let's go, Noah. Let's fucking go. That shit's hype, man. Well deserved. You deserve all of that. And again, that's not me, man. That's you. You show up every day. You put the effort in. You refined your strategy. You put the awareness and the time, the consistency. You showed up even when it sucked, even when you lost. And now you're on the other side of it, man. Huge, huge, huge congrats. And that's just a testament, family. That's what happens for all of us. That's literally our future for all of us. If you just keep showing up, you keep applying pressure, you're trying your fucking best, you don't miss. The only thing that can play out is time, and eventually you're going to hit those payouts and make more than you've ever spent. So I love seeing it. More than deserved. I only have 2 more to buy here, family. Only 2 more, and we're going to get wild and silly and wet. Maybe not wet, but we're going to get wild. One more to buy, guys. If y'all are trying to play and get excited, go ahead and use. If y'all are trying to get excited and try to trade these Apex accounts with me, it's the final day. I did not know, by the way, guys. The biggest thing about copy trading is the mental hurdle. Trading is all the biggest game changers. Sometimes I've been working on for years. Absolutely. Dance party. Dance party for Noah. Who invited this Cooper guy? I know. Isn't it amazing, Tim? I love it. By the way, Timothy, I don't know if you know this, King. Did you know this? Danny just told us. Bruh, if you pass these accounts tomorrow, so if I bought 20 accounts and I wanted to trade like 5 or 10 at a time and I pass them tomorrow when the deal's off, you have to pay the normal 140 activation fee. So the only time that the activation fee is, I have to trade these 20 accounts and pass them today to be able to use the $40 activation. I did not know that. I think longs may still be in. I think so too right now. I think it's gonna be a slow grinder, kind of like yesterday. I'll be there in December, Ty. I can't wait, Pat. And we're gonna have some fun, King. A little gym session, a little food session. Have some fun. We'll figure it out. I'm so hyped for Noah right now, though. The man crossed over. All right, we have one more account to buy here, family. One more account. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's crazy. Took all my time just to even buy them fucking things. Took all my time just to buy them, so excuse me. All right, guys. We officially have them. Now I just got to go ahead and sign out of this quickly. These are the MFF accounts that we blew. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'm going to go to... how do I log out? 1 second. No, well, 1 second. I'm going to figure it out. All right, I'm just going to close it because I can't figure it out. Now I'm going to go to Trade of 8. Open it back up. Put our username in. Bink. Put our password in. Bink. Log in. We're in. All right, family. This is where it gets fun and crazy and wild. Wet, silly, weird. There she is. It's been a little while. Good morning, Crypto. Welcome in, newbie. Happy to have you here, Queen. How you doing? How's the trading been going? You still been trading Apex? I know you said you're going to run some Apex with us. How you been doing? For me, Diego, there was a mental hurdle. When you copy trade, you only see one account at a time. So in my brain, I'm only trading one account versus trading 500K accounts and having a 3K stop loss. I didn't know that either, but no biggie for me anyways. Always try to pass them same day. Yeah, it is no biggie for you. I know. I just didn't know that. I did not know that. I've been trying to pass them. I was going to buy 20 and trade 5 at a time. So now I'm trading 20. Wait for bottom tick entries and go in with normal size, bro. I need to slower I need to slower before my meeting. I will back in your here in like 20. Hell yeah, Noah, take it easy, King. Guys, god damn, this is gonna be insane. I'm a little bit about it. You know what I mean? Apex 50k's. There's 20 of them. 20 accounts we're going to be copy trading right now, family. 41, 42, 43, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Why is there only 19 here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Am I tripping? Was no mental hurdle. Trust me, brother, I know I've made 11K in 2 weeks from my 50K top step XFA off minis. If I copy trade them, guaranteed blown. Can only do micros with that many copy traded. Yeah, that makes sense. You should be trading 20 anyways. Let's grow up now. Yeah, it's a fact, Timothy. Copy that, Diego. I wish I had your mental strength. LOL, I'd be rich as hell. Refresh your trade of 8. Short from the 638s. Just to detach and say fuck it. Tell yourself it's the only account, not 5 or 20. You really have to pay attention to the payout rules with Apex. They denied my payout for risk. I start small and size in as the setup confirms. They said I had bad risk on a trade because of size. Oh my gross. I'm dropping an L, not for you, newbie, but that's for trade of 8. I mean for Apex. They are looking for ways to stop people from getting payouts, and that's one of the ways right there. Sorry to hear it, Queen. I'm so confused why I only have 19 over here, though. Hold on a second. What's going on? I said to refresh my trade of 8. How do you do that, T-Nads? Other than just closing it again. I don't really want to do that. Do I just have to close it again? So wait, newbie, do you still have those accounts, though? You're just waiting to get those 8 days again and get the payout? Just refresh your browser. All right. I don't have a browser, T-Nads. I trade on the app. Bum. I trade on the app, sir. Hey. We're getting excited. First time trading with 20, family. Gonna start making this a habit, and especially moving on for 2026. It's gonna become a thing. Manage groups. Here's the other one that didn't get in there. Save. Now we have all 20. Holy shit, we're trading 20 accounts. It's a 30% risk too. 30% risk too. I'm correct. If I'm correct. On a 50K, you can not be in a trade that goes 700 against you, I believe. It's fine. I should have been more careful and looked at the rules better. Yep, I have to trade the cycle again, which is only like 8 days, 8 trading days and 5 of like $1 profit, right? I don't remember. Something like that. What is the actual cycle, newbie? Ty rich as fuck. 20 accounts, 37 a pop. Sheesh. Come on, baby. This is your future, Pop. Just keep showing up, King. Risk 500 per trade, Ty. Make sure you use a stop loss. Don't let it run against you. Risk 500 per trade. Guys, I suck at Apex, so we cannot let the trailing drawdown fuck with us. That's what I'm saying. That's what makes me upset. It wasn't. The trading can go into you at all. You literally top ticked it. It was just a sizing difference, and they said you can't size in. That is crazy weird to me. 8 days. It's a 30% windfall rule. It's 8 days, and I don't think they have to be 8 winning days either, right, Queen? Just 8 days. GC hot right now. Diego, you're gonna be upset with me. Oh wait, look at this. Oh no, it didn't update. Yeah, I still have to go and fix this on. Apex doesn't even have it either. What? Stopped out smaller profit. Let's go, subs. All right, family. There's 20 beautiful people watching. Let's get a like for every single person watching for these 1 person, 20 person, 20 accounts. You know what I'm saying? Running 20 accounts. Let's see if we can get some love. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Tyler, in my opinion, got to take your 500, 600 base hits. Odds against with the trailing BS. Protecting my tiny DLL now. 8 days, 5 days making $50. Oh, it's $50. Wow, that seems so achievable. Be a real G and trade bonds. Pablo, he wants to see us do it. All right, we have to go for base hits here, family. We got to get in and out, in and out. How do we pass these first try? Do we just go 25 accounts and then just go for a snipe? Do we just full port 25 accounts? Oh wait, no. Damn it. I have to do 20. So if I do 20 accounts, that's only 1 per, right? So that's not even a big thing. So if I want to do 5, I'd have to do 100 at a time. Is that even fucking realistic? 5 minis, 30 points, get you 30K. Get you the 3K. 5 minis. So I need this, right? 5 in each account. Seriously though, trade cattle. Trade corn, LOL. one contract per account. I would not full port. 1,000 3 times. Smart. All right. So 20 and look for 1,000 3 times, but that's a big ask. I'm looking for 50 points without taking drawdown. 50 points with a 1 contract seems like you're gonna get a chance to find some drawdown. I don't know. Hey T-Nads, you have a little bit of experience with these right now, King. What do you do? You trade you put 100 contracts on, or do you trade 20, 1 per? What do you normally do in the passies in a single day? Now we have 20 Apex accounts. I would short the 40s tie. Sellers want it to keep it breaking down. I do 5 per, yeah. And on days I'm feeling really excited, I do 10. I full port them. All right, family. I heard what I had to hear. I'm going 100. Christmas. Never traded 100 contracts ever in my entire existence. Let's find out what happens here. Sellers just picking up now into this range. Kind of am expecting it to find some reaction here that's positive. And there it goes. You were right about the 40s, Pat. Whee! Let's go, Maxi. Hope you guys made some monies on that. Part of me wants to short this pullback. Part of me hates it. Chilling here. Just remember, when using the size, you're just looking for chop to play. Just remember, when using this size, you're just looking for chop to play. Yeah, we're not trying to catch direction. That's a good point. I'm so used to catching direction, so gonna wait for a little range. Wait for a little choppy. Play the sides of it. Boom. Sellers stepping in, bringing us to the VWAP now. Nice little reaction. We're looking for 30 points here. We're looking for 30 points. Not having it go against us. Oh my God. I just thought about this too, though. Say we're up 20 points. Okay. So I'm up $2,000. You cannot let it come back against you at all. How the fuck do you manage that? God, I hate this trailing drawdown thing. I got stopped out break even and sinks. I feel your pain now, Ty. It's not a good feeling, Saab. Sorry, I gotta feel that one. This reminds me of the South Park episode, LOL, and it's gone. 150 by 8, 2 micros. Like to see yesterday's high tap. We're getting the VWAP buys. Let's see if the sellers take it through. I love it. Good analysis, family. See what we do here. You look for 10 max, 15 points at a time. You look for 10 max, 15 points at a time. Okay. 10 point stops. So yeah, I did it 3 times. So you typically do it in 2 to 3 trades, T-Nads. Use a stop loss, bro. The drawdown can get you if you get out. Same as TPT. Don't try to get the full 30 in one trade. Yeah, that does seem like suicide. Volume picking up, brother. Perhaps 2 to 3 minis. One candle will either make you or break you. There's that 30-point candle you needed. Yeah, 30-point candle boner to the downside. And now we're trying to get back up into this EMA. I want to find some shorts, but I think we're in a choppy spot right now. Go break even quick and take profit off quick. Y'all are going to see it. 20 accounts. Can we get through here? I have to pass these 2 days so we can have the activation fee. It's what we need. Look at the volume on this candle that is at the VWAP. That's a lot of reaction, actually. A lot of reaction at that VWAP. Looks similar to yesterday's chart. Honestly, it does, and we just keep pressing the upside. KMC Faden, I like that. Welcome in, chat. Personally, I think I've seen your name, maybe. So, welcome in. Welcome to the family. Yeah, it's going to go smash my PC. It's been great, y'all. That's it. Gonna go smash my PC. A lot of buys off the VWAP. Yeah, that was a lot of volume there, Pat. Almost opening print volume type of reaction. We're in the big leagues now, Pat Bobby. Yo, if y'all are here showing any love, showing some support for us trading these 20 accounts, let's get our 20 like goal. I mean, be about one person hitting that like button. I appreciate you guys so much, though. Again, I try to say it enough, or I try to say it frequently, but you guys make trading, make this community, make us feel so special. So I appreciate you guys. And let's make it happen. 20 Apex accounts. Let's make it roll. I think she will come down a little bit more. Back into the VWAP. I think we could too. I kind of want to see us go take out the overnight, like the 15-minute range now. I don't know. I just don't know. This is going to be a crazy. $20 Apex accounts, 100 contracts. Just watching this dollar amount move is going to be crazy. And we got to get in and out. So you got to be literally sniping, scalping. Not traditionally very familiar. Not my style traditionally. These quick little scalp snipes. But we'll see. Below the VWAP now. The buying volume here couldn't hold. Going to be interested to see what happens when we get back above this VWAP. Here's the short loading. Ugh. I want to believe it too, Pat. I want to find these shorts. 550 by 5. I'm done for the day. Let's go, Max. That's what I'm saying, King. We bounce back. We're not defined by 1 or 2 trades. Scroll over to adjust your view up. Oh, shit. Thank you, T-Nads. I hate that that's a thing. All right. Well, then that means that we actually didn't even fucking touch VWAP, which is even crazier to think. Which makes me want to short any pullback into this price, these 60s. Brr, it's so cold in here. 1 and 2 micros. 1 to 2 micros, my man made $600 on 5 accounts. So dope. Part of me wants to find some shorts here at this VWAP. Sellers, so much buying volume, and we got pushed right back through it. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, sure. I feel like we could come back up into these 600s, find a short there too. First time joining live. I typically watch your live sessions after hours due to my schedule. That means the most, KMC. I'm gonna call you K, but I fucking thank you so much. It means the most, King. Hope you're finding some value, and welcome to the community. Happy to have you in here during the live. Waiting on that first trade. Bobby, me too. I think we test the bottom of the 15-minute range, just my opinion. That's kind of what I want to go see too. I want to see it, but first we got to break through this VWAP volume. I want to see this EMA find a reaction as well. If we can find a little reaction to this EMA, stay below that. I want to see us go cut through this VWAP bottom. From there, I think the bottom of the range is pretty safe and clean. Sobs, possibly. There's 28 people watching, family. I fucking appreciate you guys. If you're here frequently showing some love, the easiest way is just hit the like button. We got 20 accounts we're running right now on these Apex. Gonna send it. Just waiting for an opportunity to find some chop. We only need 30 points, but again, you can't really trade 30 points with a trailing drawdown. So my buddy says 10, 15. So 2 to 3 trades. Scary, but we'll see it. I kind of want to short this EMA, but I feel like we're going to get volume to pop through and bring us closer to the 600s. It is the final day, guys, that I'm going to have this banner on the screen down here talking about the Apex. It's the final day that they have their deal going. So if you are interested in getting some accounts, make sure you trade them today, because I didn't know that they have to pass them today. But it is super fucking cheap. It is $150 off, family, per account. I know it's actually, well, it's different, because if you bought, this is for the 50Ks. Other accounts are different. And then the other one that I want to let y'all know about, if you like it, is these Lucid Flex accounts. Now, I really like Lucid. They came out with these new Flex accounts, though, because they're trying to compete with Top Step. Top Step kicked them off of Project X, so you can't trade with Project X anymore with Lucid. So if you buy these Flex accounts, you can only trade on Tradevate or Quantower. But you guys know what it is. Code Trading for Freedom, TFF. Last chances to grab those. Just want to let y'all know. And I think I am taking. What do y'all like more? I like a 600 short. If we get out, I think we're gonna pop this EMA with some volume and go bring up into these demands, this zone up here, and then from there I want to find some selling. But also I could see us just holding that and pushing if we find the VWAP support. Don't love it. Oops, sorry about that. Not my favorite. Not my favorite. Ty, don't turn into PW and start selling stuff. I remember I used to watch some dude called Cam, and he said he would never, and then boom, started selling shit. Well, Pop, you want my trading course? You want my trading hat? I'm selling hats, selling merch, selling trading merch, and if all the owners of the merch, you get a half off our trading course. No, I hear you, Bobby. I'm here. I hear you. I'm on YouTube documenting. I'm on this process for documentation. I want to remember when I look back and be like, hey, look, I started trading with fucking pretty much no money, not a lot of experience, 2, 3, 4 years, however many years it takes. And I can look back, watch myself, see the reaction, see the community, see everything just grow. I just love the documentation aspect. And then obviously now here building community and you guys being a part of it, didn't really anticipate that. And yeah, so that feels fucking special. So I hear you. I'll take a hat. Yes, in PDF file too, please. Coming right at you, Queen. You selling bathwater by chance? I got toenail clippings. I did sold the last little jar of bathwater, but I do have a couple more toenail clippings that I would send right to you, Saab, if you're interested. Here we go, family. Pushing up through the EMA now. This is what I was kind of a little bit curious about and a little hesitant to short. That's why I was expecting. Never traded with Trader Bait, but can we drag TP and stop lights like on Top Step? Yes, you can, Queen. So if you put your order in, which you like right here, you buy or sell, it's going to put your same order and you can drag it just like this. Hope that helps, Lorraine. It's cold here, so I'll take a hoodie. I'll do a little hoodie. It's cold here too, Queen, so it's not a bad idea. Little hoodie and hat type vibes, you know what I mean? Little hoodie and hat vibes. What are we thinking, family? I kind of want to short these 600s. I also kind of think we find a nice reaction out of it, just like we are right now. 607 short. Tell me a 607 short isn't kind of pretty. I'm long from the 559s. Great entry, Pat. Really good entry, King. I like that. Oh, perfect. Thanks. So, of course, Lauren. No problem, Queen. A little long off the 80s. So my family's looking for the upside. Why am I trying to fade them? I want to short. But honestly, I don't think it's a good reason to. We have a strong 15-minute range. We held 50% of it and VWAP. I think longs are, I think it's a fair play. Second strong close right there. Into the 607s now. This is where I would look for a little attempt. Really strong reaction. I agree, subs. Kind of makes me want to join them. Really strong reaction. I agree. Closing through these 10s would be pretty strong as well. If this candle closes the next 20 seconds above 10, I wouldn't fade buyers right now. Sellers brought it back, right back into the premium, and we took off. Higher time frame is bullish as well. I'm in the same. I agree, Pat. I think right now the longs are a bit more strong. They show their strength, defending the 50% of the range and the VWAP. Volume is still here. We're holding back to above the 15 right now. So if we close up and around here, I'm very much looking for longs. Any closure above the 15-minute range right now is pretty strong. Give it the time, and there it goes. It gets there. I'm looking for pullbacks now, family. I'm looking for pullbacks now. Here we go, family. We're going to get our first big old 100 contract trade in the NASDAQ. 100 minis, by the way. What? You told me I'm trading 100 minis. I say you crazy. You tell me I'm trading 100 minis. I say you nuts. Now we out here trading 100 minis. You say, oh, you crazy. But now we out here. First pullback off this momentum. I'm going to take an attempt. Ideally, it's around the top of the 15-minute range, this previous bottom. Ideally, the EMA pulls up a little bit, something like that. That was a nice 40-point move from $70. Let's go, Queen. Beautiful little move there. Good target, good entry, good patience. Are you guys excited? Because I'm getting excited. Feeling a little flutter. I haven't felt flutters trading in a little while. Oh, gosh. 100 contracts in the NASI. It's exciting. It's a moment for development. We're getting there. Again, I want this to become a normal for 2026. So, got to start building the confidence, the structure, everything. Building the ability to do it takes time. Currently looking for a pullback into the EMA for our long. Buy 100 limit. Look at our order in. Bink. Ooh, we have our order placed. Let's see if we get a fill now at the 600s exactly, family. Looks like we might get a chance here. We are at the 600s exactly. Might be a little too deep. I think the 602s could even be a little bit safer of an entry. Happy to be back to the 5 minutes. So much more easier for me to read. I love that, Queen. W. Danny, I did 3 micros. I'm at 400 with $80 stops. Y'all just eating right now, Pat. I love it. Hey, Ty, can I send you this video I saw on Insta? I want you to see a reaction live, LOL. Maybe, Pobby. Send it to me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see it right now, depending on how this trade works out, but I'll check it out before the end of stream for you, for sure. I have a new rule that if I'm up 500, which is the goal, I can only do 1 micro after that, Pat. No, that makes a lot of sense. I like that, Danny. Kind of don't love trying to be the first reactant to this. This is how I normally trade. Might not be the right way to trade with these accounts. So I'm going to be patient here. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to adjust this order. I want to see the 600s hold, but I don't imagine we just get a pull in there. I don't know. It's tricky. That's a great rule, Danny. That's the difference between good and great traders, for sure. That's what Pat. And that's the next step, for sure, is just don't break that rule now, Queen. It's a great rule. Just let that rule be consistent for you. Let that rule be consistent for you. I believe these longs are going to just continue to show themselves right now. But it's tricky. Hell yeah, Queen rule still in place. I was up a little, then broke a rule and took a tiny scalp and then lost. That's all it takes. It's fast, Pat. It doesn't take much. If our discipline slips, things can go. But right now, since this ginormous amount of volume came in at the VWAP, we've still been pressing up higher. Some more continuation from the long stepped in here. Decompress right now with this volume, but I really like this continuation. I don't know if we grab it immediately off of this 09s. We'll see what happens. Right now, though, longs showing their strength. Sorry for yawning in your guys' ear there. Very true. I didn't have any rules anymore. I was just clicking and being in trades all the time. It was exhausting. Exhausting, confusing. Just a lot of mental energy, not knowing exactly what you're looking for or what you're doing. I can understand that. I think the longs are very excited right now. Today has been the chillest day I had in a while. And because you're looking at those 5. You're looking at the 5 minute with some minis. Just chilling calm. I love it, Queen. I mean, it's a new strategy. Whatever works and feels good for you guys as individuals is what you need to continue to develop on, right? If it feels good for you as a person, let that be. Kind of upset that today's title is trading 5 MFF accounts when we're actually trying to pass these 20. But that happened like minutes in that we were wrong. So here come the longs. VWAP strength clearly being the reaction. Still just waiting for Chop to get in, family. for sure, Pat. It doesn't need to be stressful all the time. We are having a incredibly stressful career, but it doesn't need to be like that all the time. It's a great question, Pat. How is the kitty, Danny? How is the kitty? Excuse me. Some pretty big supply zones up here that we're starting to stretch into. Here comes high a day, NASDAQ. Easy. Printing. Into the 62s there. Is this where we just keep chopping highs? We kept taking out the highs slightly and then selling off a little bit. Taking out the high and selling off a little bit. Kind of feels like it could be something like that. He got his enzyme shot today. Doc was very pleased with how he's doing. Even gained a little weight. Next appointment is now 3 weeks away. So fingers crossed. Maybe make it to that appointment. Let's go, Danny. Fingers, toes, everything crossed. Sounds like he's doing better. I love it. Absolutely making it there. It's 10:50, family. I don't know how many likes we're at, but goodness, can we get to our 20 goal? I don't love having to cram a trade in the next 10 minutes, but I don't really feel like I have another choice. Oh, I don't think I have a choice. The choice. Do I just go 200 contracts and look for 15 points? Yes or no? Do we just go 200 contracts and look for 15 points? Yes or no? Good. I love that cat. LOL. So cool. 17 likes. 17 likes, family. We're 3 off of our goal, but there's 27 people in here. That means that only 3 of y'all need to hit that button. If you guys are in here consistently and you find any value, show some love. Hit the like button. Wait before you can watch. Wait before you can. Wait before you can. Can you watch it? LOL, please. Yeah, I will. Probably. I will. I got you, King. Join buys, low size. Little man, it for sure making that next appointment. Absolutely. Thanks for asking, by the way, Pat. W. W Pat, W Danny, W community. Here we go. Sweeping the highs again. Pat's still looking for the longs. I'm looking for a long at these 41s, guys. Really all I'm playing is the first EMA touch. Gonna try to scalp 10 points immediately. Sell 100, stop. So we have our stop loss in if this starts going against us. Risking 6 points with 5, so we're risking 600 bucks per account. Let's see this try to play for us. I just need a little touch of our price, a little fill, and then a little movement. Here we go. First trade with 100 contracts in the NASDAQ. Give me a fill, Nazi. Oh! Huge trade, Pats. Congrats. Huge trade, King. I'm still in from the 559s. Let's fucking go, Pat. One more like for that 20. Come on, guys. Yo, there's 28 people. That means we need one of you guys for trading 100 contracts in the NASDAQ here. We're going to have a quick 6-point stop on this. Going to look for 10 points off an EMA touch. We'll see. We'll see here. Going to try to get in and out quickly. So I got to be ready to, like, immediately. Immediately. Why only risking 6 points? Because we only got like 4 attempts at it anyway. Or do you just let it bust though? 100 contracts. Yes. Shavit Flesher. Sorry, I'm probably butchering your name. First time I think I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome in. Yeah, 100 contracts. Looking for a slight rotation here. Don't really love the way that we're auctioning into this price now, though, to be honest with you. Don't really love the way that we're slowly auctioning into this price. Just looking for 10 points, maybe 15. I try to give it a little room, but that's just me. Ty versus PW on the BDH. That would be crazy, Poppy. Brr, it's chilly in this house at the moment. I don't really love our entry right now, the way that this is working out. Makes me think we're going to get a flush towards our price. Those were the 20 points we wanted. That was it. Come on. Sheesh. Wishing all the best. Thank you so much, Shavit. Means the most. Don't like this move. Use that trading money and get an Amazon space heater. I got mine aimed from at my feet. Yeah, Pat. That's going to actually be the play. Meanwhile, GC has been steady. Yeah, gold has been rock steady. And I can't even look at the chart. Look what my GC looks like, Lorraine. Ugly. Ugly. Oh, so ugly. Yo, there's 30 people watching, family. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Show some love if you haven't yet. Join this community. Join this conversation. I don't love this, the way that we're hitting at this EMA right now. It makes me kind of want to adjust my entry a little bit. We had a nice bullish reaction through, and now we're just kind of sitting at the top. You know what I mean? Not really loving this long right now. Does look similar to yesterday. Yeah, I'm nervous, Pavi. I am. Oh, I'm nervous. 45 fill looks decent. We're looking at maybe seeing a 44 fill. Pat. 45 till was a complete bottom tick. Pat, that 45 fin was a complete bottom tick, King. Don't forget, you also have tonight to pass if the discount ends tomorrow. Yep. Well, the discount ends. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Pops. There's subs. Gold. Good morning, King. Happy to have you, brother. Nah, brush it off. Fuck it, bro. It's not real until it's in your bank account. Absolutely. But that 740 out of your bank account is. Yes, sir, Pavi. That part is real. That part is annoyingly correct. I don't love the way we're auctioning down here right now. Makes me want to be patient and find the correct entry. How do you ever know where that is, though? Going for it. We're at the 34s. Oh, dudes. Guys get rich off all my code use anyways. Guys get rich off all my code usage anyways. Tinaz has been giving lots of code usages. Hey, look, I moved my order, and then that would have been decent. Hey, look, I moved where my order was, which was, what did I say, 38, 37? I don't remember what I was looking for. That 38 fill. That would have been it. That 30 fill would have been it. God damn it, Pat. Why did I just adjust my fucking order? You guys know why. You guys know why. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. I don't like trading at this time. There's just so many reasons. God. This feels more like gambling than it should. This feels more like gambling than it should. I can't wait till tomorrow. That's the shitty part, Pat. Oh.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Well, that was a really, really lame first trade. Boo to that. What the fuck was that? No. That was a really lame trade. The fuck was that? I wanted a good first trade, not that shit. All right, well, I'm short in 5 at these 642s. The fuck was that? Gross. News, top of the hour volume. I don't really know what the fuck. It happens. This is the part of the trading people talk about.
Order filled.
All right. Well, we're in. I think we're going to get cooked. Yeah, I don't like this reaction. Motherfucker. That volume came in enough to trick me out of my spot. Should have kept our long.
Order filled.
Why did I get scared out of my fucking long? You know why? Because I didn't get scared out of it. I got bottom ticked to a fucking T. And then I short the momentum. God. How shit. Oh my God. You can't even make this shit up, bro. If I never put that stop loss on, it never fills. It would have fluxed back to us so quickly. I don't know if I would have gotten out, but we would have been up. I don't know. Whatever. You guys know how it is. We load back up and run it again. I won't be trading these, though, because I don't have the time to trade and pass them today. So if you guys are trying to trade and pass in a single day, hop on the Apex deal while it lasts. It's not going to be a thing forever. How many hours do I have left? Motherfucker. Got 13 hours left before, apparently if you don't use it in time, so if you guys buy an account, right? You buy an account and you don't pass in time and don't pass within these 13 hours, apparently you still have to activate with $140. Didn't know that. But this is the deal. 187 to 37. That's what they're running. Lucid's got their accounts. That's what they're running. Just want to share that with you guys because kind of I'm obligated to do that. And also, fuck, look at this. 222s. Why did I? Oh my god. Shitty. But hey, it happens. Okay, that first trade was shit. I don't even know what happened. Dude, it was ass. This is what it takes to hang with the big league. You brush it off and don't care. You right, Pat. Not too worried about it. More just frustrated with like the way that it happened. You know what I mean? Just more frustrated with the just way that it happened. We can make a lot of money, but she sure does take a lot of money. Danny, quote of the day right there. Asia stream today, LOL. See, that might have to make sense, Max, so I could take advantage. They might extend the sale. They always do. I hope so, Maxie. I kind of need some I need some love with that, so. It's all good, bro, because next time we're going to get a round of golfing. Absolutely, subs. And December meeting Pat. Never any reason to complain, just frustrating. That 38 fill would have been the second trade, was bad luck. Would have won the second trade, bad luck. The last trade I wouldn't have reverse bias, but hindsight's 2020. Pat, I had to reverse bias. Look at the volume coming, and now look at it. Now look at it, King. This is why I reversed bias. I expected that after that pullback of that. Fuck! This is what I wanted to see off this candle. I want to see some buying volume and then the selling to be real, which it already was showing. This is what... Hey, watch trades by Matt Ty. He copy trades 20, 50Ks. I am going to study that tonight, Pat, and just kind of see another person try to get through 20, because that's where I'm at now. Going to try it. We're great traders. We just got to have it work out for us, and yeah. There was some stock price target adjustments that came in. Of course there fucking was. Because why wouldn't there be? No, why wouldn't there be? I had orders placed, so why wouldn't there be? No, why wouldn't there be? Yeah, you're right. I didn't expect that wild selling there. They wanted it all morning. They wanted it all morning. I know, and that's why I was trying to get in with them, King, but fuck, it didn't matter because Tyler was on the wrong side of it. Look at my top tick. How far off was I? 63, and I got filled at 55, so I was 8 points away. 8 points of drawdown I couldn't afford before this was correct. So if this stop never happened, I could have afforded it. If this never happened, I passed these accounts. Nice. That's good to know. Nice. No, that's cool. I'm not upset about it. I'm not worried. Higher time frames, the 5 minute and the three ugly candles. I'll send you the link on IG. I think that's what caused the momentum here. A little bit of stock adjustment. What Tyler's in. Timmy has a video specifically on passing 50Ks on Apex. Watch that one. I will, Max. Yeah, I appreciate that. I hate to ask, but you still watching it? Ty, be like, fuck that video. I'll watch it right now, Pobs. Yeah, that's why I recommended Max. TBM is great in my opinion. That's what I want to do. I'm not looking to be fucking greedy. I would be happy with $200 hits too. But I got to pass these fucking accounts first, and you have to hit it to hit it. And that would have hit it. If I didn't hesitate and move my 38 order, and I didn't get filled with the short, and then like 8 more points of drawdown, like there was so many ways to make it. 200 by 20 is awesome. Yeah, it's a dream. We're going to work there, family. We're going to work our way towards there. Okay, I'm going to watch Pobby's video real quick. Satisfy that, mans. See what he sent us. What are we doing, Pablo? What are we doing? No way. Holy shit. The snowy day's putting off Minecraft vibes. Don't even say that word, Sauce. You know it is. I sent you the link, bro. Pat, you're the man. Thank you so much. All right, family. You guys saw it today. A little bit of pain, a little bit of blood in the streets. 20 Apex count down the drain. God, and we were so close there if that just weird shit didn't happen. But, oh well. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, though, being a part of it. Being you guys is making the community strong and shit like you do. It means the most. I ain't showing that, bro. Guy just like a fish. He sucked on a frog's face, Sobs. Oh, but we will get it, Queen, and you will too. watch this video. I will, Pat. Good trading out of you lately, Pat. Proud of you, kid. Danny, good trading too, Queen. And Brock, still upset about that. Look at the selling that's coming in now. Why did it? Oh, got to be better. Got to be better. But Pat, Work, Danny, Pobby, Sobs, Sauce, Maxie, Timothy, obviously. You guys are the best. I fucking love you guys. Appreciate you for riding with me, vibing. GBT, Lorraine. Thanks for making the day special, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hit the weights. Hug somebody you love. And we ride it again tomorrow. If Apex is keeping their continuation deal, we'll play it. Otherwise, we may not. It's the last day. If you guys are trying to get in there, get in there. Code TFF, Trading for Freedom. You know what it is. And we do it all again tomorrow. So are we getting on the next tie Community Friday? Yes, actually, real quick before I do end, I do want to do another community stream Friday. So I'll let you guys sit on that for tonight, and then tomorrow we can decide who it is. Maybe Maxie again, just because he's got his all stuff set up. But either way, we'll have a community stream Friday, and it'll be fun. But till then, I love you guys. Take it easy, protect your accounts, and we ride. All right, I love you guys. Peace.